Welcome to our fashion show. Today we have two categories, gold or amethyst. And of course, the super prize, a mystery dumpling. This is gonna be everything. Please welcome our contestants.
Ta-da!
LaLiLu, you're too much. But seriously, where are the contestants?
We'll get it all sorted right now. There. Sleep tight, honey. Whoa, where are we? Oh my gosh, where did we end up? What's going on?
This is a fashion disaster. The contestants aren't ready. 2 families, 1 ball, 0 outfits, total catastrophe. But I have an idea. What you gonna do? Come on, mini Roomie. She's pretty heavy. Where am I? At craft time. Oh, wow, so cool. Let's go. Oh, wait, hold on. Where are you going? Wow. Roomie, look what I found. Oops. Lali, are you okay? I'm fine. Just that thing, the balloon popped. Oh no, does that mean we won't win the contest now? No, don't worry. We'll still make you an amethyst look from it. LaLiLu, can you help us?
Of course. Okay, lay out the balloon foil. Draw a big circle on it and cut it out. Now fold it in half. And cut a round opening in the center. For the top, we'll use nano tape. Cut out a corset and cover it with foil. Time to try it on. Wow, it looks awesome. Let's add another layer of foil to the skirt for extra volume.
Perfect. Just missing the rhinestones.
Here, these should be perfect.
But that's not enough, LaLiLu. No, this just won't do. I still have some leftover stash.
Cool.
Yay! I love rhinestones so much.
We decorate the entire dress with gems.
And we'll make a necklace from these.
Great idea.
We need to decorate the hairstyle, too. Wow, so beautiful! Oh, what about the shoes? Just a sec. Here, these shoes match the dress perfectly. Take clear glue, apply glue to the shoes, and dip them in purple glitter. Now that's truly dazzling. It's just missing some accessories. Let me check my notebook. Let's make you a purse.
We'll need purple foam sheet, and we'll cut the purse template right out of Lali's notebook.
My diary is full of ideas.
Trace the template onto the foam sheet and cut it out. Fold along the lines, secure it with hot glue, and assemble the purse. Done! And to make it sparkle, just like the shoes, coat it with glue and dust it with glitter. Final touches, can't forget rhinestones, and now we can hand the accessory to Mini Roomie.
Wow, everything is slaying and shining. I look like a real amethyst princess. And this glowing purple dress shimmers like a precious gem. Yes, your amethyst look turned out absolutely amazing. Now I need to go get the older Roomie. And here I am. Hi, Roomie. Time for your makeover, Roomie. Look how much stuff I found.
Wow, gorgeous. So many amethysts. Oh, where did Lali run off to? What's that over there?
Ta-da! Who turned off the lights?
Classic Lali.
Oh, light bulb moment. Let's make you an outfit from this bag.
Let's give it a try. I'm in too. Let's grab the scissors. Oh wait, where did the bag go? No idea.
Cutting here and here. Just a little more. Done! Roomie, come here.
What's up?
Let's see. Oops, one more time. What is going on? It just won't hold.
Don't worry, this is easy to fix with elastics. Secure our skirt, then add another layer. Now make the corset. Add a big bow as decoration. And here are the shoes. Your look is complete, Roomie.
Cool, but it still needs some sparkle. Now I'll show you a great life hack.
Spray the dress with hairspray and dust it with glitter.
Wow, look at that sparkle, that glow. You can't even look without sunglasses. Oh, this is what I need. We need to add tinsel to Roomie's hairstyle. LaLiLu, help!
Great idea, Lali. Weave the tinsel into the braid and decorate with rhinestones.
You're an absolute princess. It's just missing a crown.
Here it is.
LaLiLu, that's so cringe.
We'll fix that right now. Wrap the crown in shiny tinsel garland. There.
Wow, now that's better. Your amethyst look is finally complete. A hairstyle with rhinestones, shoes matching the dress, and a crown to top off the look. A true amethyst queen. But I need to get to Genu now. Bye!
See you soon.
Genu, I'm here. Oh, where did he go?
I mean, am I a heartthrob or what? And in such great shape, too.
Finally found you. We need to get to crafting.
What for? I'm gorgeous already.
Oh, come on now. Come on, let's go. He won't budge at all. I've got an idea. This should do the trick.
Hey, that tickles.
Fine, you can handle it.
Whoa, whoa! Ah!
Don't worry.
worry, Ginu. You're in good hands. You're about to be even more gorgeous, bringing the materials.
Are you really leaving me here alone?
I brought a mirror.
Phew, that's much better.
We're also gonna need tape and glitter too. Unroll the tape and dust it with glitter. Make a bunch of strips like this. Gather them together and tape them into one piece. We'll make pants from it. Lay the pattern on top and cut out 2 pant legs. Put them together. Time to try it on. And voila! There, they fit perfectly. Now the top. A white t-shirt with a lilac jacket. The perfect combo. Let's add the sleeves.
Oh wow, that really is better. What else should we add?
Bling, of course. Let's add a rhinestone trim and a sparkly bow tie. Ta-da!
Is that everything? But I'm still barefoot.
Oh, right. We should make shoes from...
Yay!
I know. We'll need a stick of hot glue and a glue gun. Wrap the foot in plastic wrap, grab the glue gun, load the purple glue stick, and make shoes. Add a sole from foam sheet and rhinestones. Done! Ginu, take a look at yourself.
Oh my gosh, I'm absolutely irresistible.
An elegant suit shimmering in purple tones under the spotlights, unique shoes, a sparkling bow tie, rhinestone trim on the jacket. Every detail in this look is absolutely perfect. There, now everyone's together. The carriage is ready, time to go. See you at the competition, Lali. Wow, oh, they grow up so fast. And us? Well, we're ready to dress up the next family. We're gonna make your family golden. Okay, Mera, let's go. Look how much stuff I've got. But there's nothing in there. Little jokester. What? No! Oh, my little gem. My one and only beloved gem. What's LaLiLu up to over there? Such a fun video. That gives me an idea. I'm taking this. Hey, where's my candy? Lali, have you seen my candy? We haven't seen any candy around here. Already ate your candy. We just need some gold foil for our look. Well, fine. Let me help you. Shape a dress from the foil.
Wow.
Fold the other pieces into gores and use them to make a long skirt. The dress turned out really one of a kind. LaLiLu, look what I found.
Wow, magic time.
Yes, that's exactly what we need. Decorate the dress with gold rhinestones. Make a sparkly trim, add a necklace, and a gold bow. No! Let's get the big one. There, perfect. Let's add little butterfly clips. Amazing! The shoes definitely need to be swapped out. I had some around here somewhere. Mera, take your pick. I'm not really seeing anything that works. Oh, yes! Slippers, so soft. No, you can't wear slippers on a fashion show runway. Give those to me. There. Now that's better. Mini Mera shines with gold sparkle from head to toe. Gleaming rhinestones and butterfly wings, all in gold. Wow, this turned out so beautiful. Your new gold look suits you so well. Okay, I'm off. Mera, I am here.
Yay, I've been waiting so long.
I saved something extra special just for you. Close your eyes.
I love surprises.
You can open them now. Ta-da! Mera, today you're gonna shine with pure wealth. All right, let's get started. Take gold tinsel and tape. There, peel off the tape. Make a corset from it. You kinda look like a bush right now. Let's trim you up a bit. Snip, snip. That's better. Now we can work on the skirt. We'll make it from gold fabric. I've also got gold peplum. Oh, this is slaying. Add a full tinsel train. So beautiful. Oh, where did Lali go? It's so heavy. Yeah. Look what I dragged in here. Mera, get ready.
You can never have too much sparkle. Let's shine.
Dazzling. Oh no, we forgot about the shoes again. But I know exactly how to fix it.
Lali, but this foil is silver, not gold.
Don't worry, that's intentional.
Take off the old shoes. Shape shoes for Mera out of the foil. Add a heel.
And here's my secret ingredient.
We have small gold gems, glue, and a clay tool. Take tiny golden gems and glue them on. Fully cover the shoes with the gold gems. Wow, this is so gorgeous.
Mera, you look absolutely stunning. Oh no, wait, you can't go without a crown. Now we're truly done. Mera's gold look is a combination of fluffy sparkling tinsel, a smooth shimmering gold skirt, and rhinestones.
Mera is ready. I'm off to the next one. Phew, my head is spinning. Oh, poor little me. And here I am.
Lali, you scared me. Oh, wait, where are my cupcakes?
Did you maybe drop them?
Oh, no.
It's not a big deal. Don't stress. I'll clean it up right now.
Wait. This is actually perfect for us. We'll make a costume for Abby from this gold sponge.
Great idea. There. Cut it. Take out the sponge. We don't need it. And from the top part, we'll make pants.
Here's the pattern.
Thanks, Lali. Lay the pattern down and cut out the pant legs. Now we need to sew each leg first, and then join them together.
Lali, can you bring the thread? Here you go, LaLiLu.
Now sew them together. Perfect. Our pants are done. And the jacket, too. Let's try it on Abby. Wow, this turned out amazing. Let's add a few details. A bow tie, and done.
Not quite. We still need shoes. I have a vision. Let's use some Lali magic.
I'm with ya.
Lali Kadabra.
Oh, wow, so cool. Thank you both.
Hey, where are you going? What about a hat? Everything has to match the style.
Swap Abby's cap for a gold beret. And now Abby's look is complete. Everything in gold style. The suit, shoes, bow tie, and even the beret. Perfect. Just one final touch. The family is all together. It's time for the show. Hey, Lali, wanna ride with us?
No need. I'll do it the old-fashioned way. See you at the show. LaLiLu, are you ready? Let's head to the final competition. And here I am. Hello, everyone. Ready to find out who's gonna win our super big mystery dumpling? Mera and Abby's golden family, or Roomie and Ginu's amethyst family? Gold or amethyst? The grand prize is on the line here. Just look at how adorable it is. And now, please welcome our contestants. Roomie is on the runway. Look at that luxury dress. Ginu, his outfit is shining so bright. And mini Roomie, just look how her bag sparkles. Give them a big round of applause. And now, welcome the Golden family. Baby Saja in his little golden outfit, just adorable. Now comes Mera. Look at that incredible sparkling train. And closing the show is Mini Mera. And I'll be waiting for your comments. Let me know which family you liked more, gold or amethyst. Bye-bye, see you in the next videos. And in the meantime, we're gonna squish our super prize, the mystery dumpling.